Connecting Kansai International Airport with Osaka and Kyoto is the adorable Hello Kitty Haruka. Featuring the internationally beloved character, Kitty White, this kawaii train has garnered attention worldwide. Haruka is a limited express train service run by JR West, connecting Kansai International Airport with Tennoji, Shin Osaka, and Kyoto. It began running to coincide with the opening of Kansai International Airport in 1994 and is known for its distinctive long, simplistic white body. As more people began using Kansai International Airport, the number of passengers on the Haruka train also increased. To welcome visitors from overseas to Japan, JR West decided to decorate this now popular train with Hello Kitty in 2019, donning a dazzling, long-sleeved kimono. Many have visited just to snap photos of it. The first Hello Kitty Haruka train was just 6 carriages. However, a surge in popularity led to even more trains being graced by a Hello Kitty design. As of 2024, almost all Haruka trains are now Hello Kitty Haruka designed. Moreover, there are now 4 different types to check out. The Hello Kitty Haruka departs from Kansai International Airport and stops at the southern Osaka City Terminal Station of Tennoji and the bullet train station of Shin Osaka, before heading to Kyoto. From Kansai International Airport, it takes around 30 minutes to reach Tennoji, 50 minutes to reach Shin Osaka Station, and 75 minutes to Kyoto. Being the only line from the airport allowing direct access to Kyoto without changing trains, it's ideal for those who want to start their journeys in Japan's ancient capital. The Hello Kitty Haruka is a rapid express train, which means it has 3 different kinds of tickets: unreserved, reserved, and green first-class seats. When purchasing a passenger ticket for the Hello Kitty Haruka, you'll also have to select one of these 3 options. While it's fine to opt for unreserved seats for most of the year, we recommend booking a reserved seat in advance during the busy Japanese holiday periods of Golden Week from late April to early May and open during mid-August to guarantee your seat. The green seats refer to the luxury carriages, offering more space and a relaxing atmosphere. If you want to use this space, you'll need to buy both a passenger ticket and a green seat ticket. Tickets can be purchased at Kansai International Airport via the Travel Service Center ticket counter or the green automatic ticket machines. The ticket machines allow you to avoid the long lines that often form at the counter, and you'll be able to reserve a seat here too, without any trouble.
Experience natin ng Haruka train ride. Let's go! Papunta na po kami sa airport from Kyoto. Ang comfortable ng seat. May Hello Kitty design.
The Japan Rail Pass, offered by the JR Group, allows you to ride on the Hello Kitty Haruka for free. Plus, if you're happy to sit in an unreserved seat, you'll be able to board the train with just the Japan Rail Pass alone, saving you the trouble of using the ticket machines. Once you've picked up your pass from a ticket counter, just walk on through to the platform. If you want a reserved ticket, you can also ride the train with the Japan Rail Pass. However, you'll need to order the reserved ticket separately. Once you've gotten your pass, let the staff know which train you wish to ride and your desired seat. Selection to receive a reserved seat ticket. Reserving a seat is free. Green seat tickets also need to be reserved at the ticket counter. If you have a regular Japan Rail Pass, you'll pay an additional fee for this service. If you have a Japan Rail Green Pass, this will be free. Being an airport train, each carriage of the Hello Kitty Haruka is equipped with space to safely store luggage, making it handy for those bringing on large suitcases and whatnot. There is also free Wi-Fi along with power outlets at each seat in certain parts of the train. Unfortunately, no food or beverage sales are on board the Hello Kitty Haruka, including vending machines. Make sure to purchase drinks in advance at the station before boarding the train. There are Hello Kitty Haruka goods available at the Kyoto Railway Museum shop and the online store Train Box. You can purchase these items at JR Tokai markets, kiosks, and other locations, but the product lineup and availability may vary depending on the timing. We hope you enjoyed our overview of the Hello Kitty Haruka, connecting Kansai International Airport with a number of the region's most prominent travel hubs. This whimsical, one-of-a-kind train is often the first taste of Japan for many. However, be aware that services are currently reduced, so make sure you check the latest timetable in advance on the official JR West website to ensure you'll get the chance to ride. Enjoy the ride till the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Kansai Airport.